In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation button in Card. If you want an easy way for visitors to support your work, a donation button is the simplest, most reliable option. And the best part is, this method works on the free Card plan. You can connect any platform that gives you a link like PayPal, Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi, Gcash, Stripe, or a paypal.me page. As long as you have a donation URL ready, you're good to go. Start by opening your Card website editor. This takes you into the place where you can add and rearrange elements on your page. Once you're in, look for the plus icon labeled Add Element. Click that and choose Button. Card will drop a default button onto your canvas and a settings panel will open so you can make it your own. Give the button a clear, friendly label. Short and direct works best here. Things like Donate, Support Me, or Buy Me a Coffee. If it fits your brand, you can include a small emoji to add personality like a coffee cup. The goal is to make it obvious what the button does at a glance, so visitors don't have to think. Next, set what happens when people click the button. In the link section, choose URL as the type. Paste your donation link into the field. This could be your paypal.me link, your Buy Me a Coffee page, your Ko-fi profile, or any other donation page you use. Double check that the link is complete and starts with HTTPS so it works correctly and looks trustworthy to visitors. Now, customize the style so the button stands out and matches your site. Adjust the color to complement your brand while keeping strong contrast for readability. Make the text large enough to read easily and consider a bold font. You can tweak the shape, add subtle rounding on the corners, and choose a hover effect to make it feel interactive. Position the button where it's visible near the top of the page or in a section visitors naturally see is ideal. If your design uses multiple buttons, give this one a standout color so the call to action doesn't get lost. When you're happy with the label, link, and styling, click Done to close the settings. That's it, you've added a donation button to your Card site using a simple link. This approach is flexible, fast, and works with practically any donation platform, which makes it perfect for creators, freelancers, non-profits, or anyone who wants to accept contributions online without extra complexity.